The connection between stress and thyroid health. Stress is an unavoidable aspect of modern life, with numerous consequences on our health and well-being. Understanding that thyroid health is closely related to the adrenal glands and cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Adopt a balanced diet. A healthy, well-rounded diet is crucial for managing stress and supporting thyroid function. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is essential for managing stress and supporting thyroid health. Engage in regular exercise. Physical activity is a powerful stress reliever and can help enhance thyroid function. Practice relaxation techniques. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can help reduce stress and support thyroid health. Seek social support. Connecting with others can provide emotional support and help alleviate stress. Consider nutritional supplements. Certain vitamins and minerals are essential for thyroid health. Contact Ayush Mantra.